Hi guys, today I will show how add remove magnification on your OSCAL Tiger 12. Our first step to do this is from main menu we must navigate to the settings option. In it we look for X ability selection and there we go to the magnification right there, which is off. To turn on it we press there and now we must switch on. Confirm I got it, and we have our shortcut magnification icon, which position we can easily change also by tap there and swipe on the screen and set when we need. To zoom our screen we press on it and tap on our screen. To change position of our zoom you must use two fingers and scroll on our screen. To turn off it we press again on our shortcut icon. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.